Hello everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how to DIY some gold and silver glam decor for this 2020 Christmas season. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. And I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload another DIY. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Alright everyone, I need you to grab your tea/coffee and let's get started. Okay, we are going to start with this round bowl here, and we're going to use some of our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, which I cut into strips. So I'm just going to use my hot glue, and we're going to place the strips going around the top part of our bowl and also the bottom part of our bowl. And remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your strips. Okay, now we're taking some more strips and we are going to glue them going down the side of our vase, and I'm gonna tilt them a bit from the top, tilt it to the bottom, not a straight line going down. And I cut up my pieces already, and you know, you can get these strips from the Dollar Tree. It's hard for me to find it in my area. Every time I go they don't have it, so I just buy the big roll from Totally Dazzled and that's what I use. But if you want to use the strips from the Dollar Tree, that's totally fine. Okay, so my strips are all on. Doesn't it look very nice? So now I'm going to take these little bling here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Isn't this nice? I don't know if they have them out just for Christmas, but I found them at my Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them going down my bowl. One gold, one silver, one gold, one silver. Going all the way around the vase. And there we go, all done. I think it looks really nice. I like it with the gold and the silver. And now we're going to take a tea light holder from the Dollar Tree and some more of our glam silver and gold pieces. And I'll be using some of the strips from Totally Dazzle also. And we're just going to bling out our tea light holder, which will be the bottom of our candle holder. And there we go. I think it looks lovely. And this would be nice all by itself if you like just the regular tea light holders. Yeah, this is very nice. You can just use it just as it is here. Okay, so here's our pieces. And I'm going to use some E6000. Again, use any adhesive that you would like to use. And then you just glue the two pieces together to make one candle holder. And now for our second candle holder, another vase. And I got these gold strips that I got from Walmart. Yep, these little strips, I found them at Walmart in gold, silver, all sorts of colors. So I'm just going to place the strip going around the center of our vase. And now we're going to use our gold and silver bling again to decorate this vase or bowl, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going right around the vase with the gold and silver decor. And now I started to go up the vase, one gold, one silver, one gold, one silver, going up all the way around. And I'm just going to continue with this pattern, going all the way around like I said. So I finished going all the way around, and I think it looks kind of empty. So I'm just going to add two more through all the little openings that I have. I just add two more of our bling silver and gold decor going all the way around. So you see, one silver, and then here I'm going to place a gold one. Again, same thing. One gold and then one silver. Going right round to make the vase, the top part of our candle holder, look more full. Okay, here we go. I did that, and I also added another gold strip going all the way around the bottom. So now I'm gonna add some more of our gold and silver bling to the very bottom of our vase. And again, following the pattern, one gold, one silver, all the way around. Now for the bottom part of this candle holder, it's a smaller one, a smaller tea light holder I got. And I will be placing the gold wrap going around. And I'm going to place it around the tea light holder twice. 2 strips going around the tea light holder. And now I'm adding our gold and silver decor going around, one gold, one silver, going right around the bottom of our tea light holder. And again, here are pieces, and we are going to use the E6000 again and glue our 2 pieces together to make our second candle holder. And here is our finished look of our gold and silver candle holders. I like how they turned out, gold and silver. I think they look beautiful together. Using items from the Dollar Tree and a bit from Walmart and Totally Dazzled. Yeah. I like this gold and silver bling that the Dollar Tree has for this Christmas season. I think it looks really nice. And here's how they look with the candles inside. I think they look lovely. Alright, my glamsters, now we're going to do our third DIY, which we have this vase here I got from the Dollar Tree, and some more of our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I cut the bling wrap into thicker strips, and I'll be gluing them for them going down our little vase. And now we're gonna add our gold and silver glam to the vase. So like before, I'm just adding one gold, one silver, one gold, one silver, going down all the sides of the strips. Now I have these silver napkin ring holders from the Dollar Tree. I have 4 of them, and I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue the 4 of them together. Again, our gold and silver bling, we are going to add it to these candle holders. That will be the stem of our vase. Just gonna do them gold and silver going all the way around. Remember I told you we're doing gold and silver decor. Okay, here's the finished look, and now I'm just gonna add some of our bling wrap going around the center. And now we are going to join these 2 pieces together to make our vase. And here is our finished look. our glam gold and silver vase, and I think it looks lovely. Yes, it does. Very nice. And these little pixels, or whatever you call them, I got them from the Dollar Tree. Yes. All glammed out for our Christmas season. I like it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's different, it's unique, and it looks lovely with these little sticks in them. Yeah. All glammed out in the silver. I love it. I think it looks very nice. A beautiful gold and silver decor for this 2020 Christmas season. Glam up your home. I think it looks lovely, like I said. Glamsters, there you go. 3 easy and inexpensive gold and silver decor for this 2020 Christmas season. I think they look absolutely beautiful. And the 3 of them together like this look nice too. Nice as a centerpiece for your table. Or you can place them anywhere throughout your home. I think they look absolutely beautiful. And using the cheap items from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I think they look absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's gold and silver DIYs. Yes. And if you're new here, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you will press that subscribe button and press the like, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's glam gold and silver decor for 2020. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.